Hello students, I am Professor G. N. Moite, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirasgaon. In this lecture, we are going to see about seed certification, various phases of seed certification and field inspection. Firstly, we will see definition of seed certification. Seed certification is a legally sanctioned system for the quality control of seed during seed multiplication and production. Now, as per the Indian Seed Act, seed certification is voluntary and it is not compulsory. Then we will see objectives of seed certification. First one is regular flow of stable superior varieties of known pedigree supported by sound crop improvement programs. Then second one is necessity of adequately qualified and trained person to develop sound seed certification standards and procedures on realistic and scientific principles. Infrastructure requirements for efficient management of processing and post harvest handling of the seed crop. Identification of new varieties and their rapid increase under appropriate and generally accepted names. And fifth one is provision of a continuing supply of comparable material by careful maintenance. These are the objectives of seed certification. Then what is eligibility for certification of crop varieties? First one is seeds of only those varieties which are notified under section 5 of the Seed Act 1966 shall be eligible for certification. Then second criteria, breeder seed is exempted from certification. Foundation and certified class seeds come under certification. And third, breeder seed is produced by the plant breeder which is inspected by a monitoring team consisting of the breeder, representative of seed certification agency, representative of NSC and nominee of crop coordinator. Then phases of seed certification. There are 6 phases. First one is receipt and scrutiny of the application. All those persons who are interested in seed certification should submit an application in form number 1 to the concerned seed certification officer with the prescribed fees of rupees 25. The fees is for one season for a single variety and for an area up to 25 acres. If the area is more than 25 acres or if more than one variety is planted, separate application should be made for each variety. And if the area is less than 25 acres under one variety, but if the fields are scattered and separated by more than 50 meters, separate application should be made. This is first phase of seed certification. Then second one is verification of seed source, class and other requirements. The seed should be from authentic source and from appropriate class and should be in accordance with Indian minimum seed certification standards. Then third phase is inspection of seed fields. The certified seed producers should grow and harvest the crop as per the guidelines issued by the seed certification agencies. They must carefully and faithfully carry out the rogging and other operations as per the directive of the certification agency. The certification staff conduct field inspection at appropriate stages of crop growth to ensure that minimum standards of isolation, preceding crop requirement, rogging and other special operations are maintained at all times. The inspection of seed crop is done at different stages of crop growth, such as at the time of sowing, vegetative stage or pre-flowering stage, flowering stage, post-flowering or pre-harvest stages, and at the time of harvest. The contaminants to be observed during field inspections are of types pollen shaders, shading tassels, inseparable other crop plants, objectionable weed plants, and disease plants. Then fourth phase is post-harvest inspection. The personnel from the seed certification agency should inspect the fields during harvesting or post-harvesting so that there are no mechanical mixtures and the seed is not handled badly during threshing or afterwards. Then the seed is sent to seeds processing plant with a threshing certificate. The personnel from the seed certification agency will be inspecting the seed processing plant to avoid mechanical mixtures and damage caused to the seed during processing. Then fifth phase is seed sampling and testing. The representative from seed certification agency draw a representative sample from the seed lot at the time of processing or after processing and sends the sample to official seeds testing laboratory for evaluations. In the seed testing laboratory, the samples will be evaluated for seed standards such as pure seed, inert matter, other crop seed, weed seeds, germination percentage, and moisture percentage, etc. Then sixth and last phase is grant of certificate and tagging and sealing. After receiving a satisfactory report from the seed testing laboratory, tagging and sealing of the bags will be done under the supervision of seed certification agency. Tags and seals should be in accordance with general seed certification requirements. Affixing of tags and seals on the containers completes the process of certification of seeds. These are the main phases of or broad phases of seed certification. And then seventh phase is control plus testing. Then eighth validity period. Ninth revocation of certificate. And 10th appeal against seed certification agency. There are 6 main phases and sub phases are up to 10. Then field inspection. Inspection of seed field and standing crop during various stages of growth to variety that prescribed procedures are being followed so that the seed produce meets the requirement for certification is known as field inspection. Then what are the objectives of field inspection? First one is to verify seed origin and identity of variety. Then to collect information on cropping history of the seed field, that is to verify whether the seed field meets the prescribed and land requirements, to check crop and cultivation conditions, to check isolation distance, to check freedom from impurities, namely other crop plants and weed plants, to check freedom from cultivators and of types, to check freedom from seed-borne diseases. These are the objectives of field inspection. Then inspection of seed crop at various stages. First phase is or first stage is inspection at sowing stage. Various inspections are done during seed production. First stage at which seed inspection is done is sowing stage. Then second one is inspection before flowering. Then third one is inspection during flowering stage. Then fourth one is inspection at maturity stage. And fifth one is inspection at harvesting stage. These are the stages at which inspection done during seed production. Thank you.